Have you ever dreamed of carrying a full gaming PC in your hands? A device so powerful, yet so portable, it feels like magic? Imagine doing this, but in a color that makes your heart skip a beat. Today, we're exploring the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus Glacier Blue Edition. The handheld gamers are already obsessed with. Stay till the end, because this could be your next dream device. The MSI Claw 8 AI Plus Glacier Blue Edition is a handheld gaming PC, basically a portable laptop for your hands. Unlike normal gaming handhelds, this runs full Windows 11, so you can play any PC game, run apps, or even stream content anywhere you go. Its unique Glacier Blue design isn't just color. It gives a feeling of cool, calm power, making it special for any gamer who wants style and performance together. Now let's look at the exact specs that make this handheld a powerhouse. Processor: CPU Intel Core Ultra 7 258V, Lunar Lake architecture, fast enough to run AAA games without lag. Graphics: GPU Intel Arc 140V, perfect for smooth gaming visuals and modern effects. Memory: RAM 32GB LPDDR5X8533, lets you run multiple apps and games simultaneously. Storage: SSD NVMe 1TB SSD, fast load times and room for your games library. Some models use M.2 2280 SSD for easy upgrades. Display: 8-inch FHD+, 1920 by 1200 touchscreen, 48 to 120 Hz variable refresh rate, 500 nits brightness. Games look sharp and smooth. Battery: 80 WH polymer, long-lasting gaming sessions. Connectivity: Intel Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, fast internet, and easy device pairing. Ports: 2x Thunderbolt 4, micro SD card slot, audio combo jack. Connect all your accessories. Additional features: 6-axis IMU vibration motor. Feel your game's action in your hands. Weight and size: 795G, 299 by 126 by 24 millimeters. Portable, fits in your backpack. In short, this handheld packs laptop-level gaming power into your hands with a high-quality screen, fast hardware, and strong battery. Imagine holding it. The blue color catches the light. The smooth texture feels perfect in your hands, and every button press responds instantly. You're not just playing a game, you're living it. On a long trip, waiting for a friend, or even relaxing at home. This handheld turns any moment into an epic gaming experience. That's the magic of MSI Claw 8 AI Plus Glacier Blue. The MSI Claw 8 AI Plus Glacier Blue Edition isn't just a handheld. It's a portable gaming powerhouse with style. It has powerful CPU and GPU for smooth gaming, large RAM and SSD for speed and storage, stunning 8-inch screen for crystal clear visuals, long battery life for endless fun, Glacier Blue design that makes it stand out. If you want performance, portability, and style in one, this is the handheld for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our tech updates. Tell us in the comments, which game would you play first on the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus Glacier Blue? I can't wait to see your answers.